Many people are joining Hamster Kombat, but they may not be aware of how to grow their accounts effectively. In this guide, I will teach you everything you need to do to grow your Hamster Kombat account, so you can earn good profits during token distribution and listing on exchanges. Step 1. Set up your Hamster Kombat account. If you don't already have a Hamster Kombat account, the first step is to download, install, and create a Telegram account. If you already have a Telegram account, simply visit on bio.xyz/hamster, and the link to join Hamster Kombat on Telegram will open. Step 2. Collect coins. Once you have opened your Hamster Kombat game, your primary focus will be on collecting coins. These coins are essential for opening more cards and increasing your profit per hour, PPH. The PPH determines how many tokens you will receive during distribution, so it's crucial to maximize it as much as possible. Earning coins. Tap on Earn. Complete all the tasks listed, including joining the social media channels of Hamster Kombat. Once you finish these tasks, you will be able to claim your hamster coins. Decode the daily cipher. This is the most important step because it gives you 1 million coins for free without any conditions such as inviting friends. The daily ciphers are shared on our channel every day, so make sure you subscribe to stay updated. Step 3. Open cards strategically. Now that you have accumulated more than 1 million coins, focus on opening cards in the following categories: Team, PR and Markets, Legal, and Special. Ensure that you only open cards that provide higher profit per hour, while consuming a minimal amount of your coins. Increasing your profit per hour. After opening these cards, you will see your profit per hour increase. This will result in earning coins even when you are offline for 3 hours, helping your account grow from one level to the next. Step 4. Leverage daily combos. Opening specific cards will also help you obtain 5 million coins from the daily combo, which involves opening 3 selected cards. This can significantly boost your coin balance and profit per hour. By following these steps, you will see your Hamster Kombat account grow steadily, with your coin balance and profit per hour increasing dramatically.